In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Squarespace. Adding images is a crucial step in personalizing your website and making it visually appealing. And today, I'll guide you through the entire process in 5 minutes or less. Start by navigating to Squarespace's website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, just type squarespace.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the main page, the next step is to click on the Get Started button. This option is usually right on the home page, making it convenient and easy to find. Clicking it will guide you towards Squarespace's main dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Edit Site button. This is your central hub for making all site changes, and it should be prominently displayed. Clicking Edit Site will enter a new realm where your creativity can truly shine. It's here that you'll take several steps to integrate your images. Upon entering your site's editor, you will be presented with various elements and options to customize your site. The next thing you need to do is look for the Add Block button. This option is essential because Squarespace operates using a block system, allowing you to seamlessly incorporate different kinds of content modules onto your pages. Click on Add Block to access these features. Once you've done that, you'll see several different types of blocks that you can add to your page. At this point, choose the Image block by clicking on Images. This action will bring up a dialog box featuring a small plus sign or sometimes a distinct Upload button. Click that plus to begin uploading your visual content. After clicking the plus, you'll have the option to select the specific image file you want to upload from your computer. Take a moment here to choose an image that resonates with your site's theme or content. Having selected the desired image, the system will automatically start uploading it onto your Squarespace page. While waiting for the upload to complete, consider what kind of tweaks or adjustments you might want to make post-upload. When the image has successfully loaded onto the page, you'll see options to customize its size and placement. Play around with these features to ensure the image fits appropriately within your design vision. You can resize it by dragging the corner markers or use the square alignments to adjust where your image sits within the content block, making sure it enhances your overall site aesthetics. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget the essential last step. Click Save. Clicking Save will make sure your changes are not lost and are visible to anyone visiting your site. It's your seal of approval that the new, updated version of your page is ready to be showcased. With that, congratulations, you've successfully added an image to your Squarespace site.